guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna do this Vegas nightclub, night out, I don't know what to call it, kind of look with a little bit of smoky eye. If you'd like to see how I got this look, continue to watch the video. On to the video. Alright guys, so to get started, I'm with this Vegas nightclub, night out. I was actually wanting to go for like a bit of a purple smoky eye with some nice lashes and a nice lip. So to get started, I'm gonna start with the primer. The one that I'm using today is the Rimmel London Stay Matte Mattifying Primer. I want to use this one because in order for it to last the whole night, I need something that's gonna dry out the oils that's gonna be coming out of my pores and not let the sweat kind of puncture through the foundation and stay as matte as possible. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of color corrector. As you can see, I have a little bit of clustered pimples right here. So I wanna make sure that's completely covered before I put on my foundation. So the one I'm gonna use is from Tarte. It's the Wipeout Color Correcting Palette. It looks like so. Has all the colors that you need to offset whatever's going on. So usually for red, you kind of want to go for like the green color right here. So I'm just gonna go in a little bit with my finger and then I'm gonna blend it out with my beauty sponge. I might go a little bit on the under eye, but let me see how this looks first. And then I'm gonna go in with my Real Techniques beauty sponge. I like to use a flat side when I'm putting it on my face. I think I am gonna go in a little bit with the under eye. As you guys could see, I have a little bit of blue and red right under here. It's just from not sleeping and being tired. So I'm gonna go ahead and cover that with the orange color right here. And I'm gonna use a different finger so I can just go in, pat it under my eye. How do you guys usually do color correcting? Do you use it before the primer or after the primer? I've always done it after the primer just so it will stick to where I want it to stick. With this corner, I don't go in too heavy with the color corrector. Just like to offset the color just a tad. So that's all at least blended out just a little bit. I'm gonna go in within my foundation now. So for my foundation today, I'm gonna use the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Matte Pro. And I like it because it's demi-matte, so it doesn't look like your face is like super dry. So I'm gonna put some on my bun. And I got the color that actually matches my skin tone. And this foundation is super buildable if you wanna add more. It's a medium to full coverage, so you could definitely build it if you want to. But I'm gonna see how this looks first, and if I wanna build some more, I might build it just to make sure it lasts the whole night. So you see how it kind of covered up the redness that I had and under my eyes. I am gonna go in a little bit more with concealer just to cover the under eye. All right, now that's all in my face. I'm gonna go in with the concealer. So for my concealer, I'm gonna use the same one as I used last time, the Age Rewind from Maybelline in the color Neutralizer. So I'm gonna go in with my beauty blender again from Real Techniques. So now I'm gonna go in with the corner right here just to blend out the under eyes. One of the techniques I really want to learn is how people put concealer after they put the color on the lower lash lines for the eyeshadow. I've never learned how to do that. All right, I think we're good. So next, I'm gonna set my face and I'm gonna contour and do the whole shebang. To start, I think I'm gonna bake my under eye first because that's the biggest area that I get creasing on. So I'm gonna go with the Airspun Loose Face Powder. I just got this too. I'm interested to see how it's actually gonna work. I heard a lot of great things about this powder, so I kind of put powder on the places that I want highlighted in my face. I'm gonna leave it on for a couple minutes while I do my contouring. For contour today, I'm actually gonna use the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. So I'm not gonna really go in with like the more of the gray undertone contour. I usually just go with like the bronzing look for just contour altogether. So I'm gonna go in with my crown brush. It doesn't really have a number on it. Looks like so. I like this one because it fits perfectly at the hollow of my cheeks. If I want to put in a certain area, I'll be able to use it with this brush. I want my cheeks to look a little bit more uplifted with this look, just so it could match the whole nighttime look that I have going on with the eyes. I will go in a little bit later just to blend some more bronze to my face. So now I'm gonna go in with my MAC 116 brush just to blend a little bit more on the cheek. So now that the cheeks are contoured, I think I'm gonna go in with some blush. So the blush that I'm gonna use today is from Tarte. I'm not gonna go too much color on my face because I want the focus to be more on the eyes. And it's in the color Partaaay, Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush. And then I'm gonna use my Luxie 514 brush. It's made for blush. And I usually do like a half a smile so that way I can just get the apples on my cheek. And we do like so for now. So now I'm just gonna brush the rest of the loose powder away. So yeah, I did put a lot of product, but it doesn't look cakey. The last thing you want is to look cakey, and like throughout the night it gets all clumpy and your pores are about to break out. It's just all bad. I'm gonna leave the highlight till later just so I can know how much highlight I want to put in after the eyes are done. My next step is gonna be the eyebrows. So I'm gonna use the same one as I used last time, the Maybelline NewYork Soul Temptations, the number 305 Soft Brown. I like this formula because it's a pomade, so the hairs stick where I want it to stick. So I'm gonna create a little bit of an arch right here. And to brush my eyebrows out, I'm gonna use the Morphe E29. I love this spoolie. The hairs on it are so tiny and it combs through every single hair strand that I have. So you can see that line that I had there, it kind of blends it out, makes it go away. So you guys see the difference now. And voila, we got eyebrows. To get started on the eyes, I'm gonna go with more of a purple smoky eye kind of look. But first I'm gonna set my eyes with just a bone color with my Morphe E27 blending brush. For today, I'm gonna be using the Jaclyn Hill palette. I love this palette. It is so pretty. The colors are amazing. The formula is so creamy. It's just a beautiful palette altogether. I love it. I really, really do. So for the bone color, I think I'm gonna go for this color right here. It has a little bit of shimmer, so I'm not gonna put too much. So to start with the whole eye look, I am gonna go with like a purple transition color. I might be using multiple palettes because I have the Jaclyn Hill palette, I have the Colourpop palette, I have the Tarte Cosmetics palette from their holiday collection. So I'm gonna play around with different colors and see which one I like most and go from there. So for my transition color, I think I'm gonna go for, this is the Tarte Holiday palette. I got it around the Christmas time. As you can see, it's well loved. I've used their highlighters, everything. And I do like their color payoff. It is better than the Tarte Pro that I used last time, because that one had a lot of fallout. This one I barely have any fallout whatsoever. So to start with the transition color, I'm gonna go with Arts and Crafts right here and dip my Sephora blending brush. See how that builds up. The good thing about this palette, the colors are very buildable and they're very easy to blend. The last thing you want is to have something that's so harsh and harder to blend out. You'd be spending like 30 minutes just doing that. It's a nice pinky transition color. So I'm going to continue just to add depth into my transition color right here. So I'm going soft for now and then I'll build it up as I go. So I'm gonna clean my brush out a little bit more with this little mesh looking thing so I don't get the other transition color. I'm gonna go in with another transition color just like right below it, just so I can get some more depth in there with this color right here. And build that up a little bit more. Right around here, like right under that color, so I don't lose that color that I already built up. An often big mistake, I've been guilty of it and I've seen people do it, where they raise their eyebrow and then put in the color, but when they go back down, all the work that you put in goes away. So make sure you keep your eye just the normal way so that way you know where the color is going. So now that I have the transition color in, I'm gonna go in like at the corner of my eyes right here just to deepen up the color a little bit more with, I'm gonna go back to my Morphe E27 blending brush with the color Stained Glass right here. And I'm gonna blend it out a little bit more out here so I can kind of elongate my eye while trying not to lose that transition color. I'm kind of blend it out almost towards the middle right here. For this look, make sure you kind of use the right brushes, different blending brushes, taper brushes, just so you could get a different dimension of how you want your eye to look. So now that's on, I'm gonna go in with this Colourpop palette. It's a collab with I Love Sarah. It's the Saucy palette. It comes with 4 different colors, 2 mattes and 2 metallic colors. So I'm gonna use this color right here, Razzie. I'm gonna use my same Morphe brush, dip that in, and just kind of deepen up the color out here. So as you guys can see, with all the deeper colors that I went with, it kind of made my eyes a little bigger, kind of look you want to go for. You want to have a smoky eye because when you go in with a smoky eye, you kind of want to make sure that the colors are blended correctly and it looks like your eyes are a little more lifted. So now I'm going to use the Morphe M513 brush. This, as I said last time, this is a little bit more small, so I can put in a little more detailed area. I still like it because it's a blending brush. So just to make the colors a little bit more deeper, I'm gonna go with Still Life right here from the Tarte palette. I went back to that. Just gonna tap it in right at the corner here. I want to focus more on this area right here and not put it up too high. I love playing with different palettes because you could see each color, how much of a color payoff you get, and you could see how buildable they are on top of each other. So far so good. The inside of my eye kind of looks a little bit weird, but we'll get to that in just a little bit. So that looks about smoked out enough for me. So now just to work on the inner side of my eyes. For the inside of the eye, I'm gonna go for this little eye highlighter from BH Cosmetics. This is in the color Psych. And it says it's waterproof, which is great for this kind of look and the kind of night that you're gonna be spending with it. So it comes with like a little dipper. This is my first time using it and I'm pretty amazed. This is pretty cool. Wow. So I'm just gonna put on my lid. I'm not gonna go all the way up. Just gonna blend it out a little bit. I'm not gonna put any color, I just wanna blend it. Actually kind of took off the color a little bit. I'm gonna go back in with that color again. I'm gonna go back in with Stained Glass from the Tarte palette. Do the same thing for the other eye. Now this is what I call Vegas style. That kind of completes the lid look. Now I'm gonna finish off going on with the under eye. So for the under eye, I'm gonna go back to my Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette. This color right here for the under eye. I know it has a little bit of shimmer in it, but what the hell, it's Vegas. Might as well go all out. I'm gonna go in some Morphe brush. I like this brush because it goes straight under my waterline, which I wanted to go anyways. I don't know if you could tell, but the shimmer doesn't really show as much once you apply it. So it looks really much like a harsh line, so I'm gonna kind of blend it out a little bit. I'm gonna go in with my Morphe M209 brush. Kind of blend that color out a little bit, blend it upwards so it goes with the color on my lid. So that's all blended out. I think now I'm gonna just highlight my brow bone and the inside of my inner corners right here. And I might go in with an eyeliner, but let me just see how that looks first once I highlight. I'm gonna go back in with the Morphe palette. I'm gonna mix this color right here and this color right here. Oh, this is my Morphe M205 brush. I don't go out all the way here. I just keep it like right at the arch almost. And then for the inner corners, I think I'm gonna go in with that, just that white color. So now that the eyeshadows are done, I think I'm gonna go in with my eyeliner just to finish off the look. I'm gonna use the Ciatè Fierce Flip. So I see usually a lot of people start from the outside corner. I usually start from the inside. I usually pull my eye out like this and just start on the inner corner. It is so black. Wow. So once I get to the end of my eye right here, then I do my cat eye. So I'm gonna start with the other eye. All right, so now they match. It's your worst nightmare having to put all this work into your eyeshadow and then your eyeliner kind of ruins the whole thing. So now that I got them to match, I'm just gonna finish up the eye look. I'm gonna put some of this Sephora nude liner on my waterline. And then I'm gonna go in with my mascara. It's the Tarte Light Camera Lashes mascara. So I'm just gonna coat my lashes with it. So now for the lashes, I'm gonna go with my Lily lashes, the Sephora collection. I love Lily lashes. They're one of the best and most luxurious lashes out there. I'm gonna use the House of Lashes eyelash adhesive. One down, one more to go. As you guys can see, these lashes definitely brought some drama into the look. So with the eyes being done, I'm gonna go in with the highlighter. I'm gonna use the Marylou from the Blam, and I'm gonna use the brush Morphe 510 and dip my brush in there. This is not like the highlighter that's bam in your face. It's more subtle, which is what I need because the eyes already have a lot of drama. And it's very buildable too. And yeah, you're highlighted. Last but not least, I'm gonna go in with the lips now. So to finish the look off with my Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick, Ipsy Unzipped. It's like a mauve purple kind of color. I am gonna top it with some lip gloss. So just to finish off the lips, I'm gonna put on some lip gloss and put some setting spray. And now you're ready for a night out in the town. Thank you guys for tuning in. Hope you liked the video. If you do like it, please like, comment, subscribe, and share. See you guys on the next one. Bye!